Hello, welcome to the first video in Atmop tutorial series. The first step of showing ad from Atmop is to integrate the Google Mobile Ads SDK. In this video, here I am going to show you how to integrate the Google Mobile Ads SDK in your Android Studio project. We can begin with a new Android Studio project. Here I select empty activity, specify your application name. So in this tutorial series, here I am going to use Java as programming language. So I have to select Java and click finish. Now Android Studio setting up our projects. So open your browser and search for AdMob tutorial. Go to the official documentation from Atmop. First step, you have to open your project level credit file and you have to make sure that within the build script, these two lines are there, Google and Maven central repositories are there. So now the project is available in Android Studio. So expand the Gradle scripts, open the first file, project level Gradle file, open it. Within the repositories, you have to make sure that the Google and Maven central repositories are there. Now the second step, within the all project section, these two lines must be there. But in my case, here I use a updated version of Android Studio. I don't know, in the updated version there is no all project sections are available, but within the settings.gradle file you can make sure that in repositories these two lines are there. That is enough. Now the next step, you need to add the dependencies for downloading AdMob SDK. So you have to copy this line. Now open module level Gradle file. At the bottom of this file there is a dependency section is available. I'm going to paste it here. Now sync project. So here the project sync finished successfully. That means now the AdMob SDK is downloaded to this Android Studio project. Now the next step, you need to add the AdMob app ID in the manifest file. So when you create a real Android application, you have to create an account in AdMob. Then you have to create an application in Atmop. After creating an application, you will get an application ID. You have to place that application ID within the manifest file. But for testing purpose, you have to use a test app ID. So in this official documentation, here Atmop provide a test app ID. So I have to copy this metadata tag. Now open manifest folder. Open Android manifest.xml. So here is the application tag. Here is the ending of the application tag. So I have to paste it within the application tag. So I paste it here. Now I have to specify my application ID. So this application is for testing. So I have to use a sample app ID. You have to replace it with your real app ID before publish your application. So this is a sample app ID from Atmop. Now the last step, you have to initialize the Google Mobile Ads SDK. That is the last step. You have to do it only once in your application. Generally, you can do it from the launcher activity. So in this application, there is only one activity. That is the main activity and that is the launcher activity. So open main activity.java file. We can initialize the mobile ads SDK from the onCreate method of the launcher activity. So mobile ads dot and call the method initialize. Pass the first parameter context and there is one second parameter that is a listener, that is on initialization complete listener. So now we successfully integrate the Google Mobile Ads SDK into this Android application. Now we can display ad unit from Atmop. I hope you understand the concept. If you have any doubt, please specify that in the comment section. If you like this video, please like it and share it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.